So I got all them out. Trying to let y'all see shit. Trying to let y'all see too. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I try to keep them in line as much as possible. But this how you know you got your shit right. It's all torqued down. Now how you know your shit right. You get it all torqued down. You can still spin it. Now how you know your shit right. Block. I get the other shit off of here. And we're gonna be done with this. Go ahead and take me another shower. Where my numbers at? Okay, that's okay, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we need to go this way. I need something to put these in. Need some more water. Living in the country, man. That's what your ass get for making a house on my shit. Get out the way. Whew. It is so hot. You spin that bit. Now how you know your shit right? You torque it down and you can still spin it. Now how you know your shit right? So whoever did that block, they did a good ass job. But I'm about through though. I don't think I need this one no more. I need to upgrade. So I can put you back. I was an 11. I thought that was a 10. I was an 11. Hell you eat. So about a 13. On the first try, nigga. What going on, E? I'm sorry, man. I be breaking the block down. I don't know if he left. What going on, homie? I'm just chilling. Find me something to do. I be needing shit to do, man. Cause I'm tired of working for motherfuckers. I tell you the truth. I need another one for that one. So I'm gonna break all these down. I'm gonna break these. Now that torque. That means when you break it, that's that torque. 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 Bring that torque down. I'm about done with this bit though. I break all these bitches down, man. I'm done. Torque. All that torque. When you hear motherfuckers breaking it down, you're breaking that torque. 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 There it is. That's why you need a breaker box. Go sit in the shade. Last time I tried some shit like there was some bicycle tools, I fucked them bitches up, so it gives you some good tools. But I can damn near eyeball these sockets now, man. I bet you that's a 14 or 15. I want to say it's 14. 14. Let's see. Nope. Is it a 15? Yep. It's a 15. I can damn near eyeball these bitches now, man. Get out of here. Get out. Well, then sit right there and chill. Don't you worry me. Chill out. I'm about done with this bit. I'm pretty much done. I am pretty much done. I am done. I still gonna need that bit though. Oh, I forgot about the ones on the side. I forgot about them. I look like about a 10. About a 10. Let's see. Let me see if I can get it right first time. Let's say about a 12. That's too big. That's gonna be 11 or a 10. It's a 10. I'm down there eyeball these bitches. What going on? What's up, cuz? Just breaking this block down. I'm about done with it now. That's an 11. I'm a 10. So I need this 13, this 15, this 10. I need my adapter. What I did with my adapter. I forgot about these. I forgot all about them. The 4-bolt main ready. That what they mean with a 4-bolt main. Let me show y'all something real quick. When they say 4-bolt main ready, see these 4 bolts right here? For the people that's interested in this shit, that what they mean when they say 4-bolt main. You got 4 bolts in a row. Some of these blocks just got 2 bolts. And I want to say they got some on the, I want to say they got bolts on the side. I can't remember. I ain't worked with a small block in so long. But these new blocks and the old small blocks, they different. They're different in a lot of ways. So that what they still call them SBCs, the small block Chevys. This is an LS block, totally different. Totally different. I gotta break all these down. Oh, them juice. I ain't need to break them off of that one. So I'm pretty much done with this. I'm pretty much done with this. I'm done. I don't be bullshitting, boy. Can't say I don't do good work. Can't say I don't do good work. I just ain't gonna let you take advantage of me, that's all. You just ain't gonna work me to death. You just ain't gonna work me to damn death. Some motherfuckers you give your goddamn motor, you got to stand over them and shit. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to do that with me. I like doing this shit. There's a lot of stuff I don't know how to do. So I got to take these out first. Yeah, man, some of these motherfuckers, boy, you got to stand over their ass. You got to stand over their ass for just so they'll do the shit. They'll take your money. Just be fucking off. It's so hot out here though. Like I might want to put a screw back in here though. I'm done pretty much. Get out of there. So this number one. That's number one. Oh, I think them was on the inside. Nah, them was on the outside. These was on the inside. So I'm making a habit, putting the screw back in. We're gonna clean them bitches up anyway. So I say in about a year time, I'm trying to get in that. I'm trying to get in auto collision and the mechanic field. But I think I want to fuck with that diesel though. I think diesel where the money at. I think diesel where the money at though. I might just do both. But every time I apply for that shit, when I do go to Auburn Tech, man, it's always a waiting list. It's always a waiting list. All you goddamn mechanics around here don't nobody know what the fuck they doing. Getting over on folks and shit, man. I don't like that. So it's best to just go to school, learn that shit yourself, just work on your own shit. These niggas is shady. These niggas shady as hell. You know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong, make your money, but man, you ain't got to fuck folks over. You ain't got to do all that shady ass shit. Don't take all that, man. Don't take all that. Can't trust nobody around here. Everybody go to church though, right? The devil know the Bible too. That's all I'm gonna say. The devil know the goddamn Bible too. She don't want to spin now. Oh, my bad. I forgot about these little tins over here. Forgot about these little bitches. So if you see me doing, I ain't taking my shit to nobody. I'm gonna fix that shit my damn stuff. I don't care how long it take. Okay, you can't trust it. You can't trust everybody around here. And sometimes you can't afford their price. Ain't a lot of trustworthy motherfuckers in the mechanic field. If I knew what I doing, man, I'd fix a lot of y'all shit. I ain't shady like that. But I'm gonna want my money. I'm gonna want my money. And pussy don't pay the bills. God damn it. We don't take pussy payments at all. You got a lot of them who think that pussy pay that bill. No, pussy ain't paying the bill, baby. You must finna go fuck water, gas, and light for me. You know what I'm saying? You must finna go fuck water, gas, and light for me. Pussy don't pay the bill, baby girl. I need cash, currency. Girl, what you want? Get out, get out, get out. What I said, get out. Sit down somewhere. Sit. Stop trying to force me to play with you. I'm busy right now. Knock the little joker loose. Number 2. Now That one thing I like about these LA Block, man, they 4-bolt main ready. They are 4-bolt main ready. Don't lick that, that ain't nothing to eat. That's not nothing to eat. Don't lick that. She out here watching me. She trying to figure out what's going on. She wondering why that block got my attention and not her. I see you, girl. I'm busy. I'm busy. I know. By the way. I'm busy. It's probably about taking about 2 years. Do about a year in auto collision, a year in the mechanic field. It's gonna take you about 3. I'm trying to do diesel, mechanic, and auto collision field. And hopefully my badass son better calm his ass down then. He can put me in the rocket chair. What's going on, Lisa? That's as if you still in, huh? I ain't see you just walk in. I think my phone about to go dead. I left my damn charge in the truck. I'm at 28%. I fucked around, left my charge in the truck. Then he didn't show up today. I need my charger. I'm stuck with the charger. The bitch gonna take about 5-8 hours for it to charge. I don't like that shit. I don't like that shit at all, bro. Whew. They know that hot in. Yeah, but I want to do all 3. I want to do all 3. I don't trust none of these niggas I've been. I swear to God, I don't trust none of them. I had her down. And my son lost a lot of my damn loaning out my tool to folks. When I don't be here. That's stuck on now. This thing going dead. There we go. Got to wait. Oh, this one want to be an asshole. This one don't want to budge. Tell you what, man. Woo, got hand in my foot. But let me go put my phone on that damn charger. I'm gonna get that y'all when the bit get charged.